Good morning, class. Today we will be working on addition and subtraction within 20 using our tens frames. So I know we haven't discussed this before, so I'm going to first tell you what the tens frames are. So each frame right here represents 10. So let's count the squares or boxes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have another tens frame that represents 10 right here. So we've been working on our addition a bit. So we're going to start with the tens frame within 20 right now. So we're going to be working with both tens frames. All right, so go ahead and turn to your partner and tell them what one frame represents. Wow, I'm hearing some great answers right here. You're right. Each frame represents 10. That's why it's called the tens frame. So let's go ahead and work with one word problem. We'll do one within 10 right now. So if Jessica eats 3 lollipops, we'll have 1. Our yellows represent the first number. We do 1, 2, 3. And Brittany eats 3 lollipops. How many lollipops were eaten? So we're going to add the second 3. 1, 2, 3, right here. So Jessica and Brittany eat 3 and 3 lollipops. We have a total of how many? Good, Melissa, you're right. We have 6 lollipops. We know that because an entire row on the tens frame equals 5. So that's how you can do it quickly when you're thinking of the or with the tens frame. Each row is 5. So if I have this many, you can tell yourself quickly, that's 5, 6, 7. If I have this many, go ahead and tell your friend how many I have right now. Good. We have 5 right here. So let's go ahead. The good thing about tens frame is that you can practice it. You can practice it using your spots. You can practice using crayons and colors and Cheerios. You can practice it using anything as long as you have 2 separate things to represent the 2 numbers within your word problem. So right here we have a word problem that says, Melissa and Ashley want some dessert. Melissa buys 6 cupcakes and Ashley buys 7. How many cupcakes do they buy in all? So I'm going to use blue to represent my first number. So go ahead and count with me to represent this number right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go ahead and find your shoulder partner and tell them how many we are going to use in our next color. Jason, what number did you tell your shoulder partner? You're right, it is 7. So we're going to use green for our next one. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right here, we have 6 that we did with our first color. That was what Melissa ate, and Ashley ate 7. So we can tell ourselves right here that this entire frame is full. That's 10. Or you can count it like this. 5 plus 5 is 10. 11, 12, 13. Or you can just say 10, 11, 12, 13, because we are fast math addition solvers, right? Alrighty, so now I want you to go ahead and split off into your groups, and we are going to have a worksheet with some word problems, and each one of you is going to represent the first number and the second number, okay? And then you guys are going to solve together what the solution is of the word problem. Okay, go ahead.